sobrang magugulat ka pag malaman mo kung magkano ko lamang nakuha yung necklace na to. Pag mag-order ka sa Yellow Basket, yung marireceive mo is yung naka-round black na siya. Tapos guys, yung maganda dito sa product na to is non-faded, non-tarnished, hindi to kumukupas. See? Sino yung mag-aakala na sa murang halaga, meron ka ng ganitong kagandang necklace? Available to sa different sizes. May 18 inches, may 20 inches, may 24 inches kung gusto mo yung medyo mahaba. So what are you waiting for? If you want to have this product, guys, I'm telling you, mapagkakamalan ka talaga. Napakaganda niya in person. Try mo mag-check out isa. Tapos next time ulit mag-check out ka if you want to give this to your friends, family, sa anak mo, or kahit kanino. So what are you waiting for? Use that basket for you to get the same product as mine. Use that basket for you to check out. Check out na! Bye! Gusto mo ba yung paglabas mo ng CR, maaamoy nila yung scent mo? Yung tipong magugulat sila kasi napakabango mo after mong maligo. Possible yun pag ginamit mo tong water perfume from Kokay. Ganito siya guys, 'di ba? Pag binili mo tong product na to is may kasama na siyang ganito para dito mo siya ilagay. Napakaganda ng sabon na to, tingnan mo. 'Di ba? Tapos napakabango niya. You will experience a long-lasting great freshness, tapos it will helps to smoothen your skin. Ginawa talaga yung product na to para mapasmooth yung skin mo, tapos yung scent aura niya after mong maligo. Yung talagang magugulat yung mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo pag ginamit mo to after. Promise, sobrang bango nito. So, what are you waiting for? If you want this water perfume bar, nasa Yellow Basket, use that basket for you to check out and use that basket for you to get the same product as mine para iwas budol. Check out na! Bye! Smooth and creamy, high protein, all natural ingredients, gluten-free, keto-friendly, and plant-based. Lahat ng hinahanap mo nandito na sa bagong product ng Mood Food Recover High Protein Chocolate Peanut Butter. Kung ini-imagine mo ngayon kung ano yung lasa ng product na to, isipin mo na lamang yung peanut butter mixed with dark chocolate. Yun yung lasa nito. Ang dami nang bumili ng product na to. Kaya if you are curious kung ano yung lasa nito, click the Yellow Basket for you to check out and for you to get the same product as mine. Subukan nyo to, hindi kayo magsisisi. Grabe, napaka worth it yung lasa niya, napaka healthy pa. So what are you waiting for? If you want to get this product, same as mine, use that basket for you to check out. What are you waiting for? Check out now!